Hey everyone on the internet, got my little project today. I'm gonna put this tailgate assist cylinder on my old truck, my old 99 F350 with the heavy steel tailgate. Okay, so I haven't kind of got stuck on step number 2 there. Step 1, yeah, I got it adjusted. Step 2, once you insert this retainer blind nut into this hole over here, got it in there, it just kept wanting to spin. And there's a kind of a slide bearing, or some ball bearings on there. It was just binding up, it was turning the whole thing where it was supposed to be sliding on that bearing. And so anyways, I just went over, put like 3 drops of some miscellaneous oil that I found. This just happened to be suspension fluid. I just put that on there, kind of held it cocked on an angle. So when I was putting this in, kind of had it off over here so that the nut part on the back side was not rotating, so I could tighten up the nut and it would started to crush the ferrule part or blind nut part. And now she's now it's in there solid, got it down to where it's not really moving around. I think it's good. Alright, it really didn't say to leave these this little bearing assembly out. That's the one I was saying earlier that was giving me a little trouble because it was not swiveling when I was trying to tighten up that blind nut. But yeah, here it just says go ahead and put in your ball mount. And I tried it with that and it totally didn't fit, so took those out. It's all in there now. And on to the next step. Alright, I got that plate into place. I gotta tell you that little strap bolt there was on there like it's been there. It wanted to be there forever, I guess. Well, it's been 20 years. It's been sitting there, so. But I got it out with the supplied wrench. That's kind of cool that this kit came with that wrench. And we'll help with a little extra effort with that wrench. That closed end wrench onto the end of that. This thing's kind of wobbly in there. I'm just surprised I did not break a knuckle. That thing is just so loose in there. But I mean, it's a wrench that came with a kit, so it is what it is. Now they want me to remove this tail light. I get these two, I think it said 8mm bolts out, and then oh wait, I want to see to take that bumper off. Apparently, Father Time already took that bumper off, so I guess I am done with that step right there, which says remove. Oop. Look what just fell on the floor. And I'll be on to the back. Alright, this last part was talking about some mylar strip that goes here. I guess clear plastic. I don't know what it was exactly, but I didn't see it. Maybe it was one of those things that just flew on the ground. Maybe it's still in here. Oh, yeah, you know what? It's totally right there. Huh. So, I guess it, yeah, I guess it just comes out of here and well, yeah, so if you're really wanting to protect your paint, that's where it goes. This is 1999 truck, and yeah, I think I'm gonna just run it, just see how far she goes before I need a new tailgate. It's already kind of hurting on the bottom there anyways. So after this was just this shock install, and I guess I didn't really see any instructions. I'm assuming you probably turn this and it releases it like every other shock in the world. No, you got a little stretch to her. Alright, maybe I do need to read the instructions on that one. So, yeah, maybe pull it out. Alright, I'm gonna clean all this stuff off the tailgate and we'll do some little demonstrating. Alright, I just spent a bunch of time trying to get this thing back off of there. It was not working quite right. It was just falling down. It wasn't even slowing it down until it got almost all the way up. And I had it on there like this. I went and watched a video real quick, fast forward through it, and it turns out that on theirs they had it installed up like this. Maybe it said that in the instructions. Maybe I went too fast. I took that out. So we're going to find that. I had so much trouble, I took that ball mount right out of there, went over, put it in the vise to get this shock out of it. It's a shock of it. Try not to cross thread it. See that? It's kind of funky. Tough spot. Maybe it was like, maybe there was some Loctite that kind of cured up in there. Take my 16. instructions, I believe. Alright, we're going to try this. Like I said, I watched the video and they had it in this way, shaft side down. Try and hopefully back up. Just look down here. Give me a little bit of truck to pull against. Yeah. Get this off a little bit. No. I should have done that the other way. The instructions at this point get kind of vague. What to do and where. Alright, just clicked in this little bracket up here. That needs to be tightened up because it's kind of swiveling. You can't see it over there, but it was swiveling a little bit. Alright, let's see what happens this time. And it came out a little bit. Still not super happy with. Yeah, that's better. I mean, yeah, I guess it's better than nothing. Yeah, I guess it's alright. That's it. Alright. Guess that'll do. So it turns out it totally did tell me and install the cable back, and the larger part of the shock on the ball mounting plate. So it's supposed to have the larger part of the shock up. If you flip it upside down, I'll tell you, it's like it's not even working. But here's all the tools. You got a couple screwdrivers here. You got a 13, 16, a T50 that came with the set, that Loctite, the remote for turning on TV when you get a phone call or making a video, and then this 6mm, hard to see because of the light, but 6mm Allen. Oh, and tape measure too. Totally need a tape measure. So let's give this thing one last run here. It's still heavy to pick up. Didn't help out there, but there it goes. It, you know, it's not like super slow, but it's totally, you know, somebody's gonna know that, hey, something's going on there. It's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna whack your cables anymore. You know, a lot of times those get blown out, so it's gonna save the cables a little bit. And yeah, that's about it. That was my install.